Dear uncles, aunts, and friends, once we pass the age of 60, many of us have probably experienced that heavy, aching feeling every morning upon waking up. The body feels sluggish, the mind exhausted, and that sensitive area seems to have lost all vitality. We often comfort ourselves, saying, "It's just aging. Everyone goes through it." But in truth, I want to share something with you. The cause is not only age. There is a hidden reason, often overlooked, that directly affects our stamina, health, and even our confidence as men. The good news is, this issue can absolutely be improved. Believe me, with just a small spoonful of the right food before bed, the body can restore itself, repair damage, and awaken the hidden strength you thought was gone. No need for expensive supplements or complicated equipment, just the right habit at the right time. And your body will show you wonders. The truth is, our body has never abandoned us. Every night it works quietly, repairing blood vessels, regenerating cells, and balancing hormones. The problem is that many men unknowingly miss the golden hour before sleep, the most important time for recovery. Instead of fueling the body with the nutrients it needs, we either go to bed on an empty stomach or eat the wrong way. And so, instead of healing, the body ends up more tired and drained of energy. I still remember an uncle I know, now 68, who once shared, "Every morning I wake up exhausted. I don't feel like a man anymore. It's not just about intimacy, but my health, my confidence, and my spirit have all gone downhill." When I asked him about his bedtime habits, he gave a weary smile. "Nothing much. I just go to bed after dinner." That seemingly harmless routine was exactly what made him miss the most precious recovery opportunity. Because after the age of 50, especially past 60, the body's nitric oxide levels, which help relax blood vessels, drop sharply. At the same time, testosterone declines, causing poor blood circulation, fatigue, and reduced vitality. If we don't pay attention, the nights will become quieter and quieter, in a way no man desires. But here's the encouraging part. With the right fuel before bed, the body can still heal itself. When given proper nutrients, blood flows more smoothly, sleep becomes deeper, and the next morning you wake up full of energy and in better spirits. Many people noticed a dramatic change just a few weeks after making this small adjustment. They slept better, felt less pain, and regained their confidence. So, what foods can make this possible? They may be simple and familiar, already sitting in your kitchen or refrigerator. And today, I will share 5 foods, 5 companions, before bedtime, that can help men over 50 and 60 regain their strength, stamina, and confidence. But before we begin, I'd love to get to know you better. Where are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below so we can connect more. And if you find this topic helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss practical, everyday health tips. Now, let's get started. Dear friends, the first food I want to share with you is soft-boiled chicken eggs. It may sound very familiar, since every family meal has eggs, but few people know that, when eaten the right way, especially before bedtime, they can be an amazing fuel source that helps the body recover, restore vitality, and boost stamina, particularly for men over 50. Inside that little egg, the yolk is packed with precious nutrients. Choline nourishes the brain, supports memory, and helps the liver function smoothly for better detoxification. The high-quality protein in eggs is essential for repairing muscles, keeping the body flexible and resilient. And most importantly for men, eggs help stabilize testosterone, the key hormone for maintaining health, energy, and masculinity. Just imagine, after a long day, your body has burned lots of energy, your muscles are tired, and blood flow has slowed down. If, before going to bed, you give your body enough protein and choline, it will use those nutrients throughout the night to repair small damages, regenerate new cells, strengthen your muscles and bones, and help you wake up refreshed the next morning. The secret lies in preparation. If you cook eggs until just soft-boiled, when the yolk is still creamy, you keep almost all the nutrients intact, and the body absorbs them easily without causing heaviness. Overcooked eggs, on the other hand, can make protein harder to digest, especially for older people. That's why a single soft-boiled egg in the evening is light, filling, and gentle on the stomach. Simply by maintaining the habit of eating one soft-boiled egg, or even just a spoonful of mashed egg, 20 to 30 minutes before sleep, your body gets the nutrients it needs to recover overnight. The difference will be clear the next morning: better sleep, fewer nighttime awakenings, and a lighter, sharper mind when you wake up. The best part is, this food is simple and inexpensive. Every household has eggs. They're cheap, quick to prepare, and anyone can easily follow this routine. Don't underestimate this familiar dish. Sometimes the simplest things bring the greatest benefits to our health as we age. After soft-boiled eggs, the second food I want to introduce is ground walnuts mixed with warm milk. This is considered soft gold for aging health, especially for men after 50. In many developed countries, walnuts are seen as a secret for men to maintain vitality and clarity even into old age. Walnuts are rich in omega-3s, the healthy fats that clean arteries, prevent atherosclerosis, and support blood flow to the heart and brain. They also contain tryptophan, an essential amino acid that helps the body produce serotonin and melatonin, the natural chemicals that regulate sleep and reduce stress. With just one spoonful of ground walnuts stirred into warm milk, you'll fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up less fatigued. That's not all. Walnuts are especially powerful for brain protection. Research shows that older adults who regularly eat walnuts have sharper memory, faster reflexes, and a lower risk of Alzheimer's. This is crucial for men over 60, when mental decline and forgetfulness become more common. They're also incredibly easy to use. Just prepare a warm glass of milk, about 200 milliliters. Add a spoonful of ground walnuts or walnut powder. Stir well, and drink it 20 minutes before bed. The nutty flavor of walnuts blended with warm milk is delicious, easy to digest, and won't cause heaviness. For those who don't like milk, walnut powder can be mixed with warm water and a little honey for taste. The beauty of this food is that it offers comprehensive benefits: better sleep, sharper memory, stronger heart health, and better bones and joints thanks to natural calcium and magnesium in walnuts. Men who keep this habit long-term will feel stronger, clearer, and most importantly, confident and full of vitality. After ground walnuts with warm milk, the next food I'd like to share with you is mung bean powder mixed with honey. This is a simple and familiar combination in many Vietnamese kitchens, yet it brings powerful benefits for middle-aged and older adults. Mung beans have long been known as a cooling legume, rich in fiber and B vitamins. Once in the body, they help cool the liver, support detoxification, lower blood pressure, and stabilize blood sugar, especially important for men over 50, when heart health and blood pressure begin to fluctuate. In addition, the fiber in mung beans supports smooth digestion, reducing bloating and indigestion, two common reasons many older adults struggle with sleep at night. Honey, on the other hand, is famous for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and calming properties. A spoonful before bed warms the stomach, prevents it from being empty, and also supports the body in producing melatonin, the key hormone for falling into deep sleep. When combined with mung bean powder, honey not only improves the taste but also provides light energy, allowing the body to rest peacefully through the night without hunger pangs. The preparation is very easy. Simply take 1 spoonful of pure mung bean powder, mix it with about 150 to 200 milliliters of warm water. Then add 1 small spoonful of honey and stir well. Drink it 20 to 30 minutes before bed and you'll feel relaxed, refreshed, and light. For those who often feel overheated, and struggle with insomnia caused by internal heat. This recipe is especially effective. Interestingly, many people over 60 have told me that by simply maintaining the habit of drinking mung bean powder with honey in the evening, they wake up the next morning feeling lighter, clearer, less stressed, and with more stable blood pressure. This is because their bodies have been gently cleansed and nourished all night thanks to these two humble yet precious ingredients. In short, mung bean powder mixed with honey is like a simple miracle for aging health, inexpensive, easy to find, and incredibly effective for improving sleep, protecting the heart, and promoting a calmer mind every morning. The next dish I'd like to introduce is ripe banana mixed with unsweetened yogurt. This is another simple, tasty snack that offers countless health benefits, especially for men over 50 and 60. Bananas are familiar and inexpensive, yet they're rich in potassium and magnesium, two essential minerals that help relax muscles, regulate heartbeat, and naturally dilate blood vessels. As a result, eating a banana before bedtime helps lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and ease the body into deep sleep. On top of that, bananas provide vitamin B6, which supports serotonin production, reducing stress and anxiety, two leading causes of insomnia in older adults. Unsweetened yogurt is just as powerful, thanks to its ability to balance gut bacteria, improve digestion, and prevent constipation. Older men often deal with digestive discomfort at night, leading to poor sleep. Just one spoonful of yogurt with ripe banana can soothe the stomach, strengthen the gut, and make sleep calmer. Yogurt also adds calcium, which is essential for preventing osteoporosis, a common issue after 50. The method is extremely easy. Mash half a ripe banana and mix it with 1 spoonful of unsweetened yogurt. If you'd like, add a sprinkle of chia seeds or a few almond slices for extra nutrition. This evening snack won't feel heavy, instead, it will improve sleep, aid digestion, and make morning bowel movements easier. What's fascinating is that many people over 60 have shared with me that just 2 to 3 weeks of eating banana with yogurt before bed gave them noticeable results. Lighter bodies, more stable blood pressure, and especially deeper, more restful sleep with fewer night awakenings. It's also an ideal choice for those who want to manage their weight, since it's low in calories and naturally helps burn excess fat. In short, ripe banana mixed with unsweetened yogurt is a perfect combination. It improves digestion, relaxes the nervous system, strengthens bones and blood vessels, and brings big health benefits in a simple, accessible way. The last food I'd like to introduce to you is chia seeds soaked in warm milk. This is considered one of nature's true superfoods, tiny, yet incredibly rich in nutrients, especially beneficial for middle-aged and older adults. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3s, soluble fiber, calcium, magnesium, and iron. Omega-3s support heart health, keeping blood flowing smoothly and lowering the risk of blockages, which is one of the reasons many men gradually lose vitality as they age. Soluble fiber helps cleanse the digestive tract, balance blood sugar, and promote restful sleep. Calcium and magnesium are vital for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis, a condition men over 50 and 60 are highly vulnerable to. One special feature of chia seeds is that when soaked in warm milk, they expand into a soft gel, making them easy to digest while providing a light feeling of fullness, preventing late-night hunger or cravings. Because of this, a glass of warm milk with chia seeds not only relaxes the body but also ensures longer, more restful sleep, so you wake up lighter and less fatigued. The preparation couldn't be simpler. Just take about 200 milliliters of warm milk, add 1 small spoonful of chia seeds, stir well, and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes so the seeds expand. If you prefer, you can add a little honey for taste. Taken in the evening, this drink warms the stomach, relaxes the body, and nourishes the heart, bones, and brain while you sleep. Many people over 60 who tried maintaining this habit shared that after a few weeks, they not only slept better but also felt stronger digestion, less constipation, and more stable blood pressure. This proves that even a small but consistent change can gradually restore the body and reignite vitality. In short, chia seeds soaked in warm milk are the perfect finishing touch to this list of 5 evening foods. From soft-boiled eggs that restore the body and stabilize testosterone, to walnuts with warm milk that improve sleep and protect memory, mung bean powder with honey that cleanses and refreshes the system, ripe banana with unsweetened yogurt that calms the nerves and aids digestion, and finally chia seeds in warm milk that strengthen the heart, bones, and overall endurance. All these foods are familiar, affordable, and easy to find. Yet if you maintain just one small serving before bed each night, your body will gradually be refueled. Blood will circulate better, sleep will be more peaceful, and most importantly, your health, spirit, and masculine vitality will be reawakened. Don't underestimate these small changes. Sometimes the simplest habits bring the greatest strength in later years. If you found this sharing helpful, please give a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so I'll have more motivation to bring you more tips for living healthy and joyful every day. Wishing you health, peace, and happiness with your family. Goodbye dear friends, and see you in the next video.